Hi, and welcome to another night of homework. Tonight we'll be doing decimal multiplication using a model. So I will go over how to make your slashes. So this problem says to do 6/10 times 9/10. So first you need to do your labels, 6/10 and 9/10. Now you'll do your slashes. You go all the way across. And since I have to do 9/10, I can make my slashes a little bit longer. Okay, so that is my 9/10. I will do 6/10 going in the opposite direction. So notice I don't have any X's yet, so I won't get any X's until I do my 6/10 going in the opposite direction. So I do my 6/10 going down like so, and you go all the way down to the bottom. Alright, so I think I got the pattern. So notice the X's appear by themselves. You do not make the X's on purpose. So you go all the way down to the bottom. You should have a total of 54 X's. There are 100 squares, so my answer should be 54 hundredths. And this is how you do it using the standard method. Now if we take a look at number 2, we have to do one whole and then 7/10 of another one times a 5/10. All right. So we're going across. So first we'll shade one whole. Okay. Then I will shade 7/10 of another whole. Try to do my diagonals corner to corner. Okay, so that's one whole and 7/10. Now, when I do my 5/10, I have to shade 5/10 going all the way down on both squares. All right, so we'll go here. So notice I'm stopping at 5/10. All right, and then I need to shade 5/10 on this one as well. So I'll go make sure I go all the way down to the bottom for my 5/10. So even though the 7/10 stop right there, I have to keep shading my 5/10 to go all the way down. Okay, so when I multiply this, I should have 85 X's out of 100, which is 85 hundredths. If I multiply it using the standard method, I have one number to the right of the decimal, one number to the right of the decimal, so I should have two numbers total to the right of the decimal. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 1 plus 3 is 8. Let's take a look at one of the problem solvings. Alright, so it says, what is the length of the purple part of the line? And it wants us to use the model. So she begins drawing a line that's 5/10, and then she traces 2/10 of that line with purple. So you want to do 5/10 times 2/10. So first you need to do your labels. 5/10 and 2/10. So for my 5/10, I want to make sure that I go all the way down. And then for my 2/10, I want to make sure that I go all the way across. The X's will represent my answer. I have 10 X's out of a total of 100 squares. So that's 10 hundredths. If I multiply 5/10 times 2/10, 5 times 2 is 10. There's one number to the right of this decimal and one number to the right of this decimal for a total of two numbers to the right of the decimal. That should be 10 hundredths. Please complete the rest of the problems. Thank you.